Another good thing about like our journey is we started with a manual press, so we learned by hand like how it worked, how multiple colors lined up, how everything went together. So then when we jumped to the Lawson, which was an older automatic, but it was good for us, you wanted to start us, it showed us the ability of like one turn would print 3 colors. But there was an old press, so that's all we had was the 3 colors on it. Now with the ROQ, it has up to an 8 color on ours. So being able to do 2 turns on the ROQ and hit wet on both turns and get 8 colors done, it's just unbelievable.
You've unlocked the potential.
Yeah, my triceps are way less sore now that I'm not manually pulling every job.
Yeah. And you guys using the PRU, the registration system, the ROQ
Yeah,
registration?
so we got the PRU system. So setting a job up went from about like a 45-minute setup on a 3 color job on the manual or Lawson to now it's like probably 3 minutes to screen, so 6 minutes on that.
Great.
So yeah, it clicks in when you make your screens, and then that same unit matches the ROQ. So the arms that are on the ROQ are the same that are on our PRU system. You'll see it in the video.